Hi, friends. So I know that we've done the nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty before. And what I'm not sure if you know is that Humpty Dumpty is an egg. Oh boy. And you know, Thanksgiving's coming up and we like to eat. But I was also thinking, I had this question. You know, once you crack an egg, you can't put it back together, just like the nursery rhyme goes. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. So he's an egg. And once you crack an egg, can you put it back together? No. So I started thinking, what could we do to protect Humpty Dumpty and keep him from cracking? So I don't want to make a huge mess here in my kitchen. And you guys can do this with your parents if you want. Later, I'm going to send some things to them and some things you'll just have in your house. So I started thinking to myself, what do we do every day to protect us? And you know, we talk about what are you wearing today based on the weather. And do you know that wearing clothes helps protect us? When it's summer, we wear clothes that are short sleeves and shorts so that we are protected from the heat, so we're not so hot. And when it's winter, when it's cold, we wear long sleeves and sweaters and jackets to protect us from the cold. And soldiers who are fighting wear clothes to protect them. Football players wear pads, and part of their uniform protects them. So what if Humpty Dumpty wore something that protected him? Do you think we could dress Humpty in something that would be protective? Maybe we could try. So I've got some different materials here. Things that are smooth. This is some construction paper, just a black, smooth piece of construction paper. So this might be one thing we could wrap around Humpty Dumpty. And then we're going to have to push him off the wall. This is my wall I made. And we can listen to see if Humpty cracks. And we can look to see if he cracks. Because if he does, we can't put him back together. And then I thought, what about maybe something soft? So I have a package of Kleenex. You could use cotton. I just actually didn't have any cotton in my house, but I have Kleenex that we could wrap around Humpty. And I have, this is a paper towel we could wrap around Humpty. And we could wrap a few of these and see if something soft protects Humpty Dumpty. Do you have any thoughts so far on what might work? Then I have something very rough. I don't know if you can tell, I'm holding it up. I'm going to send this home to you guys, but when you feel it, it feels rough. Listen, if you're listening with my fingernails, oh, you can hear it. It sounds very rough. This smooth thing, see, has a totally different sound. And then the soft, you can't hear that at all. All right, so I have those things, and then I have something bumpy. This is called bubble wrap, and if you feel it, there are some little air pockets that are very bumpy. And this comes in a lot of packages to try to keep things from breaking. Now listen, if you listen real close, you can hear the air pop. Did you hear that? I don't want to pop too many because then it might, be harmful for Humpty. So I'm going to dress Humpty in all of these things, and then we're going to push him off the wall and see what happens. All right? I'll be right back after I dress up. I've got 4 Humpty Dumptys. to dress up. All right, friends, I've got Humpty all dressed up. I've got my wall here, and I'll make sure I turn the camera so you can see it. I've got a bumpy Humpty. I've got a rough Humpty. I've got a soft Humpty. And I've got a smooth Humpty. And then I have my wall. All right, so let's try it. You're gonna have to listen, and I'm gonna really knock Humpty Dumpty off, okay? So sing it with me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great... Uh-oh, I honestly think I heard it even from there. Let's look and see. I don't know if you heard the crack. It wasn't a huge one, but I heard a little. Oh my goodness. It was quite, can you tell? Quite the crack. Look, Humpty is all cracked up. Oh my goodness, once Humpty cracks, is there any way to put him back together again? No. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. So smooth definitely does not protect Humpty Dumpty. He's a mess. Oh, all right. Let's see what else might be helpful for Humpty Dumpty. Let's see, what about soft? Actually, I'm going to stop for a minute because Mr. Lushy is coming home and my dogs are going to go nuts. So we'll come back in a second for soft. All right, guys, so my next Humpty Dumpty is in really soft clothes. So I put a couple of Kleenex around him, tissue, and then I put some paper towel around him as well. And I'm sure you guys have paper towels at your house. So here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great... I heard a little bit of a crack on that one. It might not have been as bad as the smooth, but I'm pretty sure I heard a crack. Does soft protect Humpty? There's the first layer. Oh my goodness, no. It did not protect Humpty. Look at his face, can you see? He's kind of cracked. He's like, oh, I'm all cracked up. See, there's a little bit right there we can pull apart. And a little bit right there. Oh no, Humpty Dumpty broke. Can we put him back together? No, he's actually pretty cracked all over. Do you see that? See how he's cracking? All right. Smooth didn't protect Humpty. Soft didn't protect Humpty. Do we think that rough is going to protect Humpty? I don't know. Let's see. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great... Oh, fall off, Humpty. He doesn't want to fall. Ew. Ew, I definitely heard that. All right, let's check him out. I think he's all cracked up. Oh, Humpty. Oh, he is. Look at his back where he fell. Can you guys see that? There, do you see when I'm pushing on him? He's cracking. See, we can start peeling the pieces off. Ugh. Humpty. Well, we can't put him back together. By the way, I cooked these eggs, otherwise it would be a much bigger mess. All right. Now I've got my Bumpy Humpty. All right, let's see. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. I don't know, friends. He might have cracked too. That would really tell us that. Actually, no. No, this Humpty is just fine. See, look at Humpty Dumpty. So the only kind of clothes that protected Humpty was the Bumpy. And honestly, I think it took quite a bit of Bumpy to protect Humpty. I hope I've sent you guys, hope I have enough Bumpy all ready to go for you. Okay, friends. So, if you have your 4 eggs, we'll do this together in the classroom. Okay? See you in a minute. Bye-bye. I forgot to say, I'm going to use my Humpties and make some egg salad. Ooh, that might be yummy for Thanksgiving. What do you think? All right, now, bye-bye.